Tahara is located in the rapidly developing city of Inzai in Chiba Prefecture. We have delivered more than 1,200 all-electric blow molding machines worldwide. Competitors often combine units purchased from external suppliers. However, we manufacture all units in-house, from design to assembly. This is how we maintain high product quality. We also manufacture 100% of multi-layer heads, which are technically difficult to design and produce. Using our unique head calculation method, we provide multi-layer heads according to each customer's requirements. Many of our customers have evaluated our multi-layer heads as the world's top class. Our blow molding machines have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years, enabling customers to make long-term and stable production plans. We also offer a wide range of after-sales services. We provide periodic inspection services for molding machines. With this, customers can avoid sudden breakdowns or stoppages. The assembly space is divided into two parts. Plant 1 and Plant 2 can produce about 100 molding machines per year. The showroom has many blow-molded products. Visitors can actually hold each bottle in their hands during business negotiations. In the testing room, we have 3 testing machines for single-layer to 6-layer molding, allowing us to conduct tests according to our customers' needs. The auditorium, which can seat up to 100 people, is also used for the blow molding schools we hold for our clients. Almost all departments are gathered on the second floor, making it easy to consult and communicate with each other. We deliver high-quality blow molding machines one by one. Breathe life into your idea.